Hey, what's up everyone, known as Geeks here. I'm going to show you how to use Virtual Clone Drive, how to mount an ISO file. First thing you want to do is download Virtual Clone Drive. What Virtual Clone Drive basically is that it emulates a CD drive on your computer. It's a virtual CD drive, so it will mount ISO files, Q files, bin files, DMG files, etc., etc. You want to go ahead and go to where your file is at, wherever your image is at. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go to mine. Let's go to ISO games. Let's do Far Cry 2. So let's go to let's double click on that. You can double click on it, or you can right click, and you can open with mount files with Virtual Clone Drive, or you can, if you have the option here, mount with Virtual Clone Drive. But double clicking is always a good option, and usually the ISO or whatever file image you have will automatically pop up. You can always change it inside your settings with Virtual Clone Drive. But if it doesn't always pop up, you want to go ahead and go back to My Computer or Computer, depending what operating system you're using. XP is My Computer and Vista 7 is Computer. Click on it, and you'll see that Far Cry 2 is mounted. Double click on it or click open. No, sorry, not open. You want to go ahead and double click on it and run setup. Sometimes it has a automatic feature where it tells you you want to run this program. It won't show this, but this is I've gotten this file from a friend, and it wasn't properly created right, and it should usually automatically pop up with the autoplay feature. Yeah, so that's basically about it. How to use Virtual Clone Drive. You can always create more. You can always create more virtual disks by going to Clone Drive itself. That pop-up right there was because I closed it and I didn't install it, and Windows was saying if this program installed correctly, like if I did something wrong to do that. So you want to go ahead and look for Virtual Clone Drive. Let's see. That's not it. I can't remember what the actual name is. There you go. Elaborate Bytes. You click on Virtual Clone Drive. Sometimes user's account control box will pop up. You can't see it now because Cam Studio does not capture it. You always want to go ahead and click on yes. And if you have Komodo Firewall, click allow. Click allow again. You can give it a number of drives you want. You can have up to 15 virtual CD drives for your images. Eject, unmount image files. It'll automatically do it for you. Auto mount the last image every time your PC starts up. You can use a virtual sheep. It shows you the sheep icon and stuff like that. You can change it to a different language if you prefer Polish, Japanese, Portuguese, Russian, Slovak, Swedish, Turkish, Ukrainian, Italiano, French, Greek, Dutch, Czech, Portuguese, Brazil, and Arabic. This will show you the information, what version you have. Every once in a while they'll come out with a newer version of Virtual Clone Drive. I consider Virtual Clone Drive over anything because it's incredibly easy to use. Yeah, that's just basically about it. If you have any comments or questions, leave a comment down in my pants below the video. If you have any questions, want to learn how to do something, or how to put a hardware together on a computer, or how to build a PC, just email me, YouTube email, or like I said before, leave a comment on my pants below this video. That's about it. This is Known as Geeks. Thanks you for watching.